Estimation techniques in project management are methods that are used to determine the scope, cost, and duration of a project. These techniques can help project managers to plan and execute projects more effectively, as they provide a basis for determining the resources and time required to complete a project. Estimation techniques are an important tool in project management, as they help project managers to develop accurate and realistic plans for completing projects. By using a variety of estimation techniques, project managers can improve the accuracy of their estimates and better manage the resources and time required to complete a project. One-point estimations is a technique used to estimate a single value for a variable or parameter based on a limited amount of data or information. This type of estimation is often used in situations where it is difficult or impossible to obtain a large sample size, or where the variable or parameter being estimated is subjected to significant uncertainty or variability. One-point estimation can be useful in a variety of contexts, including business, engineering, and scientific research. For example, a company might use a one-point estimation to estimate the demand for a new product based on limited market research data, or an engineer might use a one-point estimation to estimate the strength of a new material based on a single test sample. There are several different approaches that can be used to perform one-point estimation, including the use of statistical models, expert judgment, and decision analysis techniques. The choice of approach will depend on specific context and the available data and information. Let's hear a couple of examples of one-point estimation. Estimating the demand for a new product. A company is launching a new product and wants to estimate how many units it will sell in the first year. However, the company has only conducted a small market research study, and there is a significant uncertainty about the demand for the product. To make an estimate, the company might use a statistical model based on the results of the market research study and make assumptions about other factors that could impact demand, such as the price of the product and the level of competition. Estimating the strength of a new material. An engineer is developing a new material that will be used in the construction of bridges. To test the material's strength, the engineer performs a single tensile strength test on a small sample of the material. Based on the results of this test, the engineer uses a statistical model to estimate the tensile strength of the material under different load conditions. In these examples, one-point estimation is being used to make an estimate based on limited data or information. The choice of approach will depend on the specific context and the available data and information. See you on the next lecture.